Hi guys, welcome to my channel Palak's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a delicious Palak Paneer recipe. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, 3 to 4 cloves chopped garlic, and I need some ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped. I need a tomato, 1 onion, some yogurt. This is about 2 to 3 teaspoons of yogurt and 2 to 3 teaspoons of heavy cream. I have some whole spices, some cilantro, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cumin powder. I have spinach to make the palak paneer, and this is the paneer. I need to heat the pan, add some oil. I'm going to add half the oil now and remaining half later. Once the oil is hot, I add these onions. Let the onions saute. Along with the onions, I'm going to add these green chilies and let it saute for a couple of minutes till the onions become brown. The onions are turning slightly brown, and now I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger and let it fry for a minute or two. So each one has a different way of making palak paneer, but I do a slight variation by adding cilantro. So you fry this onion. So our onions, ginger, garlic are slightly brown. At this point of time, I'm going to add the tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook. Now I'm going to also add the salt. Let the tomatoes saute for a couple of minutes. The tomatoes have sauteed, and now I'm going to add the spinach. I haven't chopped the spinach because I'm going to grind this whole thing in a blender. So I just added it without cutting. And I'm going to also add the cilantro. Give it a couple of minutes. The cilantro gives a very delicious flavor. It adds on to the palak paneer's flavor. Our palak has reduced now, and I'm going to make a paste or a puree out of all this and be back in a minute. So now that we have made a puree of this spinach, I'm going to add some more oil in this just to season it. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add these whole spices. Let the spices roast in this oil for a few seconds. And now I'm going to add the puree that we made from the spinach and other things. Okay, so now I've added the spinach. And I'm going to add the jeera powder or the cumin powder, the heavy cream, and the yogurt, and I mix everything together. And I'm going to also add the paneer cubes to this. Mix everything together, and I'm just going to cover this and keep it for about 5 minutes on low flame, so all the paneer and the palak gets infused with each other. So as you can see, this is a very delicious and easy recipe. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this now. So it's been 5 minutes since our palak paneer has been simmering on low flame. And you can see it looks so gorgeous, the green color, and it's ready. You can see it's such a simple recipe and tastes super delicious. Okay, so I'm ready to serve. Our palak paneer is now ready. I hope you make it and enjoy this with your family and friends. And don't forget to comment on my channel Payal's Recipe, and do subscribe as well. Thanks for watching my video. Till next time, thanks and bye-bye.